Boost leg and feet blood flow with these 8 miracle fruits. Are your legs and feet often tired, achy, or swollen? Well, you're not alone. We've all been there, and it's time to put the pep back in your step. Welcome to Nutricion, and today, we're diving into a juicy topic that'll have you feeling fantastic from your toes to your fingertips. You see, our legs and feet are like the unsung heroes of our body. They carry us through life, step by step, and keeping them healthy is essential. That's why I'm thrilled to share this video with you today. We're about to uncover the secret sauce to vibrant leg and foot health, 8 miracle fruits that Mother Nature herself has provided. These fruits aren't just delicious, they're packed with nutrients that can naturally boost blood circulation, ensuring your legs and feet stay in tip-top shape. So, if you're ready to wave goodbye to those pesky leg and foot problems and embrace a healthier, more energized you, you're in the right place. Let's get started and discover these fantastic miracle fruits together. Miracle fruit number 1: citrus fruits. Now, let's dive right into our first miracle fruit category, citrus fruits. We're talking about those zesty, refreshing buddies like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits that make your taste buds do a happy dance. So, why are these citrus wonders such fantastic boosters for blood circulation? Well, it's all about their secret sauce, vitamin C. These fruits are like nature's vitamin C powerhouses, and this vitamin is your ticket to better blood flow. Vitamin C helps strengthen your blood vessels, making them more elastic and less prone to clotting. That means smoother sailing for your blood, reducing the risk of blockages and improving circulation. But hold on, there's more to these fruits than just vitamin C. They come loaded with antioxidants that fight off those pesky free radicals in your bloodstream. This keeps your blood vessels healthy and helps prevent inflammation, which can slow down the blood flow highway. Now, let's talk about the fun part, how to incorporate these citrus gems into your diet. Say hello to mouth-watering recipes that'll make you a citrus fan for life. How about starting your day with a vibrant citrus smoothie? Blend together some fresh orange, a squeeze of lemon, and a grapefruit slice. It's a vitamin-packed punch that'll kickstart your morning and give your circulation a boost. Or, get creative with a citrusy salad dressing. Mix lemon juice, a touch of olive oil, and a hint of honey. It's a tangy delight that'll make your salads anything but boring. And don't forget the classic, a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. It's not just a breakfast favorite, it's a liquid hug for your veins and arteries. So, there you have it, our first miracle fruit category, citrus fruits. They're not only delicious but also play a crucial role in promoting vascular health and improving blood circulation. Miracle fruit number 2: berries. Alright, folks, it's time to dive into our next miracle fruit category, the vibrant and juicy world of berries. We're talking about blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and all those little bursts of flavor that make your taste buds dance. Now, why are these tiny powerhouses so amazing for your blood flow? It's all about their impressive arsenal of antioxidants. Berries are like the superheroes of the fruit world, armed with antioxidants that battle the bad guys, those pesky free radicals that can clog up your bloodstream and cause all sorts of problems. Imagine these antioxidants as the firefighters for your blood vessels, putting out any inflammatory fires and keeping your circulation on a smooth, free-flowing track. Less inflammation means less resistance, and that's fantastic news for your legs and feet. But the magic doesn't stop there. Berries also contain compounds that help relax your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to glide through. This vasodilation effect is like opening up the highway, allowing traffic to move freely. Now, let's talk about the best part, how to get more of these berrylicious benefits into your diet. The options are as endless as your imagination. Start your day with a berry-packed parfait, layer some Greek yogurt with fresh strawberries and blueberries, and top it off with a sprinkle of granola for that extra crunch. Feeling adventurous? Whip up a refreshing berry smoothie, blending strawberries, raspberries, and a handful of blueberries with a dollop of honey and a splash of almond milk. It's like a party in your mouth. And don't forget the classic berry snack, a handful of these gems straight out of the fridge. It's a quick and easy way to satisfy your sweet cravings while giving your circulation a little extra love. So, there you have it, our second miracle fruit category, berries. They're packed with antioxidants, they reduce inflammation, and they're super versatile in your daily diet. Miracle fruit number 3: pomegranates. Now, get ready to fall in love with a fruit that's as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside, the mighty pomegranate. These ruby red jewels are not just a feast for the eyes, they're a powerhouse when it comes to improving blood circulation. So, what's the secret sauce in pomegranates that makes them a top pick for leg and foot health? It's all about those little red arrows, which are loaded with antioxidants and something called polyphenols. These antioxidants are like the knights in shining armor, protecting your blood vessels from damage and keeping them healthy. But wait, there's more. Pomegranates have this incredible ability to reduce arterial plaque buildup. Think of it as a spring cleaning for your arteries. By preventing plaque from narrowing your blood vessels, pomegranates ensure a smoother and more efficient flow of blood to your legs and feet. Say goodbye to traffic jams in your arteries. Now, how can you get the most out of pomegranates? Well, there are several delicious ways to enjoy them. One of the simplest is to savor the arrows by the spoonful, or sprinkle them on your morning yogurt or cereal. It's like nature's candy. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, try your hand at making fresh pomegranate juice. Just remove the arrows, blend them, and strain the juice. You'll have a refreshing and healthy beverage that's not only tasty but also fantastic for your circulation. And don't forget about incorporating pomegranate seeds into your salads. They add a delightful burst of flavor and a whole lot of health benefits to your meal. With pomegranates, you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit, you're investing in the well-being of your legs and feet. So, there you have it, our third miracle fruit, pomegranates. They're like nature's blood vessel superheroes, reducing plaque buildup and promoting better circulation. Miracle fruit number 4, watermelon. Now, let's switch gears and talk about a fruit that's a true summer sensation, the one and only watermelon. Not only is it incredibly refreshing on a hot day, but it also has some fantastic benefits for your blood flow. So, why is watermelon such a star when it comes to improving blood circulation? Well, it has a unique trick up its sleeve. It can help relax your blood vessels. Imagine your blood vessels as tiny pipes, and sometimes they can get a little tense, making it harder for blood to flow smoothly. But watermelon contains a natural compound called citrulline, which acts as a gentle muscle relaxant. It helps your blood vessels loosen up, opening up the flow, and making it easier for blood to pass through. In simple terms, eating watermelon is like giving your circulation system a spa day. It helps reduce the resistance in your blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow, especially to your legs and feet. Now, let's talk about how you can enjoy the goodness of watermelon. Of course, you can simply slice it up and enjoy it as a hydrating and delicious snack on a hot day. But there are more creative ways to incorporate it into your diet. How about a watermelon and feta salad? Slice up some watermelon, add some crumbled feta cheese, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. It's a flavor explosion in your mouth that also supports your circulation. Or, for a quick and easy watermelon treat, blend it into a refreshing smoothie. Simply toss some watermelon chunks into a blender with a squeeze of lime and a handful of ice cubes. You'll have a delightful drink that not only cools you down but also keeps your blood flow in check. So, there you have it, our fourth miracle fruit, watermelon. It's a natural vasodilator that helps relax your blood vessels and promotes better blood flow, all while tantalizing your taste buds. Stick around because we've got more fruity delights coming up to keep your legs and feet feeling their best. Miracle fruit number 5, apples. Now, let's sink our teeth into one of the most beloved and accessible fruits out there, apples. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And that couldn't be more true when it comes to your cardiovascular health and circulation. Apples are like the unsung heroes of the fruit world. They might not be flashy like some exotic fruits, but they pack a punch in the health department. One of their superpowers is promoting overall cardiovascular health, which includes keeping your blood circulation in top-notch shape. So, how do apples work their magic? Well, it's all about two key things, fiber and antioxidants. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol levels in your blood. When you have lower cholesterol, it means less risk of plaque buildup in your arteries, which in turn leads to smoother blood flow. But that's not all. Apples are also brimming with antioxidants, like quercetin, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your blood vessels. These antioxidants act like bodyguards, shielding your veins and arteries from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. This keeps your circulation system in tip-top shape. Now, let's talk about some delicious ways to enjoy apples. Of course, there's the classic snack, just grab an apple and munch away. But there's a whole world of apple-based recipes waiting to be explored. Ever tried apple slices with peanut butter? It's a simple yet satisfying snack that combines the crunch of apples with the creaminess of peanut butter. Or how about apple slices in your morning oatmeal? It adds a natural sweetness and an extra dose of fiber to kickstart your day. For something a bit more indulgent, consider baking some apple slices with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey. It's like a warm hug for your taste buds and your circulation. So there you have it, our fifth miracle fruit, apples. They're humble yet powerful, contributing to your cardiovascular health and keeping your blood vessels happy. Miracle fruit number 6, cherries. Get ready to fall head over heels for our sixth miracle fruit, cherries. These little red wonders are more than just a tasty treat. They come packed with a punch of benefits that can do wonders for your circulation. One of the star qualities of cherries is their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be the enemy of good blood flow, as it can lead to the narrowing and hardening of your blood vessels. Cherries, however, contain powerful compounds called anthocyanins, which are natural anti-inflammatories. They can help soothe those inflammation fires, making it easier for blood to glide through your veins and arteries. But that's not all. Cherries may have some tricks up their sleeves when it comes to conditions that affect circulation. Some studies suggest that the compounds in cherries could help reduce the symptoms of conditions like gout, which can cause painful swelling in the joints and affect blood flow. While more research is needed, it's an exciting possibility that cherries could lend a helping hand in keeping your circulation in check. Now, let's talk about how you can bring cherries into your daily diet and enjoy their fantastic benefits. Snacking on fresh cherries is a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth and boost your circulation at the same time. Just pop a few in your mouth and savor the burst of flavor. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, consider adding cherries to your morning smoothie. Blend them with some Greek yogurt, a banana, and a touch of honey for a creamy and nutritious treat. Or, for a savory twist, make a cherry salsa to accompany grilled chicken or fish. It's a flavorful and healthy addition to your meal that your taste buds and your circulation will appreciate. So, there you have it, our sixth miracle fruit, cherries. They're like nature's anti-inflammatory superheroes, and they might even help with certain conditions affecting your circulation. Miracle fruit number 7, kiwi. Now, let's venture into the world of our seventh miracle fruit, the vibrant and fuzzy kiwi. These little green powerhouses are not just a tropical delight, they have some fantastic benefits when it comes to improving blood flow and supporting your circulatory health. So, what makes kiwi such a superstar for your circulation? Well, it's all about its unique combination of nutrients. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, even more so than most citrus fruits. And as we've discussed earlier, vitamin C is like a best friend to your blood vessels. It helps strengthen them, making them more elastic and less prone to damage. This means your blood flows smoothly and efficiently, which is fantastic for your legs and feet. But kiwis have another trick up their sleeve. They're also packed with dietary fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels in your blood. When your cholesterol is in check, it means less plaque buildup in your arteries, ensuring your circulation system stays clear and open for business. Now, let's talk about how you can enjoy this vitamin-rich marvel. The simplest way is to slice a kiwi in half and scoop out the vibrant green flesh with a spoon. It's a sweet and tangy treat that's perfect as a quick snack or a refreshing dessert. For something a bit more adventurous, try adding kiwi slices to your morning cereal or yogurt. It adds a burst of flavor and a dash of color that'll brighten up your breakfast routine. And if you're feeling creative, consider making a tropical kiwi smoothie. Blend some kiwi with pineapple chunks, a banana, and a splash of coconut milk. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds and a boost for your circulation at the same time. So, there you have it, our seventh miracle fruit, kiwi. It's a vitamin C powerhouse that strengthens your blood vessels and promotes better blood flow, all while adding a tropical twist to your meals. Miracle fruit number 8, grapes. Ladies and gentlemen, we've reached the grand finale of our fruity journey, the 8th miracle fruit, the ever-popular grape. These tiny, bite-sized wonders have a lot more to offer than just a tasty snack. They're here to put the cherry on top of our quest for better circulation and heart health. So, why are grapes such a superstar when it comes to improving circulation? Well, they have a special knack for keeping your blood vessels happy and your circulation in check. Grapes contain natural compounds called flavonoids, which are known to have a positive impact on blood flow and cardiovascular health. But the real hero in grapes is resveratrol. It's a powerful antioxidant found in grape skins that has garnered a lot of attention for its potential benefits. Resveratrol has been linked to improved blood vessel function and reduced inflammation, which are both crucial for maintaining healthy circulation. And here's the best part, enjoying grapes is as easy as popping them in your mouth. But if you want to get a bit more creative, there are plenty of ways to enjoy these juicy gems. Consider making a grape salad with a mix of green and red grapes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and some chopped walnuts for that perfect blend of sweet, salty, and crunchy. Or how about freezing grapes for a refreshing summer treat? It's like natural popsicles that not only satisfy your sweet cravings, but also provide a burst of antioxidants to support your circulation. And don't forget the classic grape juice. A glass of 100% grape juice is not only delicious but also a convenient way to enjoy the benefits of grapes. So, there you have it, our 8th and final miracle fruit, grapes. They're like the red carpet treatment for your circulation and heart health, all packed into those sweet little orbs. Thank you for joining us on this fruity adventure to boost your leg and feet blood flow naturally. Remember, incorporating these miracle fruits into your diet is a tasty and healthy way to keep your legs and feet feeling fantastic. In conclusion, we've embarked on an exciting journey through the world of 8 miracle fruits that can truly transform your circulation and overall health. From zesty citrus fruits to the sweet delights of grapes, these fruits aren't just delicious, they're nature's gift to your legs and feet. So, don't wait. Start incorporating these powerhouse fruits into your daily diet, and watch as your circulation and vitality soar. Remember, your health is your wealth, and these fruity treasures are here to help. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay healthy and keep those legs and feet feeling fantastic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to lead a vibrant and fulfilling life. Your journey to better health starts right here, right now.